And welcome to Tableau Online Training. My name is Anand and I'm your instructor for this Tableau training. I'm glad to see you that you are showing interest in Tableau and you are watching this video. I'm here to help you in this your Tableau learning journey. Data is growing faster than ever, you know that, everywhere. And we need a tool like Tableau which will help you to analyze the data. Tableau introduction. What is Tableau? What are the advantages of Tableau and what are the different type of Tableau charts available? And how to install the Tableau. This will give a complete picture on how to start your journey in Tableau. What is Tableau? Tableau is a business intelligence tool to visualize the data in the form of charts. Why we want to visualize the data in the form of charts? If you see here, left side, you can see this is Excel data. And in this Excel data, if you have thousands of records, can you understand that what is happening in that thousands of records, the trend of data? You can't. So definitely you need a tools which will help you to convert this type of data into visual format, and that is where the Tableau comes into picture. Tableau can help you to see and understand your data within a no time. Simply drag and drop and create a visualization. That's the beauty of Tableau. What are the different products are there in the Tableau? We have Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Tableau Server, Tableau Reader, and Tableau Prep. Oh my god, this many tools. Do I really need to these all tools? No. We have to focus on our role-based tools. If you are creating a data visualization, you have to focus on Tableau Desktop and Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. If you want to share to your customer or end users, you go for the Tableau Online, Tableau Server, or Tableau Reader. If you want to clean up your data, go for Tableau Prep. Then what about the development part? You will go with the Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public. Then what is the difference between Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public? Very easy. Stay tuned. I am going to cover all these things in upcoming videos. So right now here, let's go into the another part. How Tableau is connecting to different sources. Today in the world, you know that data is available in the flat files like Excel file, XML files, CSV files. Our data could be available in the databases also like SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL. So in this case, what we understood, our data is spread in different sources in the world today. Either it could be in the flat file, either it could be in databases, either it could be in the cloud sources like Azure or AWS also. In those cases, how we are going to connect? Do we need to really learn all these different data sources? No. Tableau has supported different type of data sources. If you see here, what you are seeing, Tableau can support with the Excel data, so flat file data sources like Excel, CSV, JSON, PDF files, or you can connect to the databases like SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL. Not only that limited to, you can see huge list of data sources Tableau is supporting today in the world. So you need not to worry what data sources your customer is sharing to you. You can easily connect with your data source by using a Tableau. So when you connect to data, what exactly happens? We are telling that we connect to the data, but once you connect to data, what is going to happen inside the Tableau? Tableau divides your data into dimensions and measures. Oh, what is dimension and what is measure? Dimensions are any descriptive fields describing a qualitative values like city name, country name, name of the person, name of the city. All these are the dimensions. Then what is a measure? Measure are numerical values which you are helping you to measure something, quantifying the values, quantity values. So those are the measures like age, salary, profit, discount, number of orders. So those all are the measuring factors. So this is how what we understood is Tableau connects to the data. What have we have done? Tableau uses the data, and that data has been split into two things: dimensions and measures. And we understood what is dimensions and what is measures. What about the data types? Is the Tableau understand different data types what you connected? Yes, Tableau supports the different data types. Tableau supports text data type, date and time data type, numerical values, boolean data type, and geographical. How you will understand all these different data types? They are represented with the icons ABC, calendar with clock, hash, true or false, or geographical. So those are the different data types. As I told you, once you connect the data, data has divided into two things: dimensions and measures. And each data type is represented, you can see here, with the help of certain symbols. Hash, ABC, calendar, those are all the different symbols you are seeing here. So this is how the Tableau has divided data into dimensions and measures, and each data is represented in certain type of data type. What are the different charts Tableau supports? Today Tableau supports almost 24 different type of charts available in Tableau, like text table, highlight table, field map, symbol map, pie chart, stacked bar, tree map, bubble chart, area chart, line chart, scatter plot. Huge list of history you can see here, and we will get into all these different type of charts and when to use what and how we are going to see everything in our training program. So what are the top 5 reasons you have to choose Tableau? One of the greatest reason is the demand in the market is going too much for the people who can understand the data, and that's where the tool like Tableau is getting highlighted today in the world. Come to the quick you can learn and quick you can implement, easy to use, supports different data source, user friendly and interactive dashboards you can prepare. Those are the different reasons which are helping you to attract towards the Tableau. So what is stopping you to get learn about Tableau? We are here from the Upskill Soft to support you, to grow you in the Tableau. We are here to make you end-to-end learning of the Tableau. We don't want to take you more time. Within just 20 hours of training, you are going to learn Tableau. So we are here to support you completely from end to end, from beginning to expert level in Tableau within a 20 hours. Within a 20 hours, you are going to learn end to end projects, end to end expertise in a Tableau. Visit our site upskillsout.com and you are getting more information on this Tableau training. Thank you. You are watching a training from Mr. Anand. Myself, Mr. Anand, having almost 15 years of experience in IT. I provide training on Tableau, Power BI, ClickView, MSBI, SQL, AWS, and Azure. Huge list of different technologies I provide the training. Stay tuned, and you're going to watch upcoming videos in the same series. Have a great day. Thank you.